So today I am back with another interesting topic. Hope you all will like it. So without any further delay, let's get started. In my previous video of Mysql series, I have discussed about cross-join in Mysql. You can check the video from the above I button. Today I am going to discuss about what is self-join in Mysql with example and where it is used. So without any further delay, let's get started. What is self-join? A self-join allows to join a table to itself. Since Mysql does not have specific self-join syntax, so self-join is performed via a regular join such as a left join or inner join. Since same table is referenced with a single query, so there is a need to use table alias to assign the table in temporary name when the same table is referenced for the second time. Where self-join is used. Hierarchical data. When dealing with hierarchical structure such as organizational charts or category trees to retrieve parent-child relationships. Number 2. Versioning or tracking changes. For tracking changes in data like version history or order tracking by comparing records in the same table. Recursive queries to perform recursive operations like finding all descendants or ancestors of a particular record. Number 4. Network or graph data. For working with data where nodes or entitles have connection to other nodes in the same table. Mysql self-join syntax. Select asterisk from table name as T1, join table name as T2 on T1.column name equals to T2.column name. So, let us see this with some examples. Today, I am using customers table under company 22 database. Self-join using inner join. Since it's self-join, so we will use only one table, but we will give two different alias name to identify both identical tables. So the query will be select all the required column names from customers alias name C1 inner join customers alias name C2 on C1.id equals to C2.id. Specify the selected column with the specific alias name, that is C1.column name as emp underscore name, comma C1.age as emp underscore age, comma C2.salary as emp underscore salary. Select and run the query to see the result. You can also use left join and right join to achieve self-join. So that's all for today. Hope you all will get some help from this video. If it's so, then don't forget to subscribe my channel Code with Neha and press the bell icon for regular updates. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy.